must be a good thing.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So as promised, I will be making my homemade biscuits. I do not usually measure, but for you guys, I will be measuring. So it says you need 3 1/4 cup of biscuit mix. And this is the biscuit mix that I use. They have the regular one that does not say complete, but the one I use says complete. So you don't have to use Crisco and all that. You just need milk. It says buttermilk, but I use regular milk. If I remember when I go to the store to get buttermilk, I'll use buttermilk. But again, I just use regular milk. Oh.
I'm gonna jump up with you,
This is why your girl don't measure. You see, I done made a mess. Anyway, alright, so that's 3 cups. Now I gotta do the 1/4. And my measuring cups, I just got them from Dollar Tree. And it's like, it's a bunch of them on one little ring. So you only pay $1 for a bunch of cups. So. Okay, next it says to add 1 1/4 cup of milk. So. Okay, so now all I'm gonna do is mix it up. Yes. And let him go. Set him up. Yeah. He don't want to be held hostage. Okay, so this is why I don't like to measure. Because, you know, it's sticky. I guess that's how they like to do it, but I don't. So I put flour on the mat so it doesn't stick, because with it being like this, it's gonna stick. And I just add it onto the flour. Now it is helpful having flour on your hand to keep it from sticking as much. It's still going to stick, but to keep it from sticking like really bad. And then you just knead it like. And I just keep doing this. There's no, perfect way of this. It's just keep kneading it to have you like. Now, if you make the biscuits flat like I usually do, then you don't really have to use that much of the bag to make them. But recently I started making them thicker because it's just so good, because to have them all fluffy in the middle and everything. So I'll show you how to do that. So you can do them flat or you can do them fluffy. So you're just making, you're not pushing the dough down so much. And you're making the biscuits really thick. So then that way, when you make them, you're able to split them open, put stuff in between them. Or you could, as my family do, they make biscuits like this and have them with like pinto beans, and you can just scoop up the juice with it. It's so good. And also, when you're doing it, make them as close as possible to each other. That'll also give you more dough. Now, with using the measurements that they give you, you're going to make 24 2-inch biscuits or 8 3-inch biscuits. So, as y'all can see right here, I still have a little bit of dough left, but this is how many biscuits I got so far with doing them so thick. But once you get used to it, like once you do it enough, you get used to it, you can decide on how much flour that you want to use. But I'm about to sit here. We love these biscuits, so I'm about to sit here and make some more.
somebody took it. Oh no! Oh my goodness, son, you gonna die so fast.
Yes, the police gonna die. The police gonna die before you kill somebody. We just need to do. Hey, Mama, Nanny, right here. You saw me? You can't even get me. Get off from on the tracks. Go. Yeah, turn on the stop. It's something in your hair. Go. It's something. Go. It's on my hair. You see those white stuff? I don't see no white stuff. Look at it. Baloo. You hit me now. You what? Get my face. Get my face. No.
I'm still doing the video.
And if it's sticking to the sides like this, just like pull it. Once they cook, y'all, they gonna look so good. They gonna taste so good. So yeah, you just pull the ones that are not biscuits apart, and you put them in the pan close together. That also makes them look good, taste good, all that. And you just continue to do this until you run out of your dough.
So you took the taco already.
Look, see? I already took one taco.
Oh.
Ah, yes.
So you get it.
Get it. And then you better get that corn so you know. I got it! Oh, yeah. Get that corn right there. There you are. Pass it.
Maddie, pass it. Maddie, get it. Beside you.
Now what you get, Maddie? I got it already.
I like to roll this around in the flour. It helps with the the biscuits not sticking to it. And you do a little shake too.
At least Maddie.
Also helps for the biscuits not to stick to it.
Messiah, get the taco.
You are about to lose.
Well, I know you make a lose, but Messiah's going down. I'm going up. Oh, I got 10. That's right.
So you got 10 of those thingies.
Messiah, I'm at your picture. The clown. I mean, you could be.
Don't make it.
To my face. Look, man, I'm blasting you.
Oh. Messiah, you should see your face. Look at the back of your head. It's blowed up.
Stop. Remember, they said no. Stop. JC, no. Stop.
Let go.
You say you at your back. Yeah. Now, let me see what you got. Let me see what you got, man. You fix your thing. No, stop. You're not gonna start all over. Sorry, get the taco.
Maddie's about to die. Maddie is yellow.
Don't get the taco, Maddie. No, wait. Sorry, get the taco. I'm gonna keep on getting taco. Maddie, where is you, Maddie? Maddie, I'm looking for you. I'm not. You can't get that from
Mom, I really want to go to do a dentist appointment right now. Mom.
I'm stuck, Maddie. A little help here. I'm stuck.
And the last one, it just become an ugly biscuit. It's just a little ugly biscuit.
Are you kidding me?
Now you can fill the whole pan up or not fill the whole pan up. This morning I'm not gonna fill the whole pan up because everybody's ready to eat, and I did want to get this video done. So yeah, that is how you make biscuits. I will show you guys how it looks once it's done cooking. Alright, you guys, so this is what they are looking like, fresh out the oven, hot, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Alright, y'all, so this is why I said, look how thick that is. Oh my gosh, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see the steam coming out of it, y'all. Y'all. Look at this. It's so soft. Look at the fluffiness. Y'all, this is hot. But y'all, it's just so good. Yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, share this video, like this video, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Baby, don't just like me to mess up a good thing. Another